Alright, so we're here, me and my auntie for my birthday. We come at the bowling alley. First time at the bowling alley, but yeah, we're going to enjoy. We're going to turn up the place.
And
Yeah,
then
see
they
the
got
place
live
there.
music inside Duffy's. Duffy's got live music here.
Duffy's, they have music and stuff. They have Duffy's over there, Duffy's Sports Bar. And that's the bowling alley there. You get a better angle food, no? And this is in Port St. Lucie. So yeah,
St. Lucie West.
St.
I don't like
Lucie
to be
West.
called Port St. Lucie.
St. Lucie West, so
St. Lucie.
we're going to turn up and enjoy ourselves right now. So auntie ready for ball now. Now me one day for something there. You're supposed to get more. You know, hit it and then see. Oh, them. That one. Stop, brother.
Daddy, I'm signing up.
No money, alright. Yeah.
Get it. Watcha. One.
Think you're up. Only one. Only one live. Wrong side. You gotta... Is it open or in? My time?
Yes, your time. Let's go. Wow, they give you a full tray. That's the score for Mark. Nothing yet. Yeah. It's the first time, so don't be too bad. Because this will be my second time doing it. Alright, Mark, feed for the ball and see if I can get it. Knock it, see if I can get it into. Go on, my nephew. Eat. 8.8, yeah. Yeah,
Oh.
you're. Yeah, I zoom in.
Yeah.
Oh my God, come on.
You get nil on that one. You only get one. Okay. Only get one. Oh, you only get one.
Yeah. So now it's your turn. Get it, boy, get it. Gotcha. No, sir. I'm a what? Come on, turn up. What's this now? Strike. Walmart. Mark out, go with things. What?
I'm there 15.99. So the total is. Woo! Nice. Oh, strike.
That's my first ever
19.
strike. Your turn. They need to play some better music. Oh my God, it's so white song. I'm not being racist. Some of them sound too weird.
They're gonna fall now. Two in a row. 35. Get a couple. Brown sweet. Brown again. Okay.
Laughing at me.
39, 35.
All right, get it. Aw. Y'all going, do it? Y'all going? Come on, they got more to go. Yes.
Need more people. I knew that shoot me. Oh, it's serious.
No man people, look on this. Marga order barbecue with Marga order wings. And look at my eat. Come like a brown stew chicken wing. Marga order wings, right? And look at them bring on game. Brown stew chicken in a Duffy's and super plate. My you brown stew chicken where you cook it, yeah. Did you come and come order them somewhere? Look there. And it tastes like brown stew chicken too, you know? Nah laugh. Boy, it was sesame seed chicken, but not said that brown stew chicken, yeah, man.